Bikaner, the desert jewel of Rajasthan, isn't just famous for its forts and camel safaris, it is a treasure trove that for food lovers too. From spicy Rajasthani curries to sweet delights like rasgullas and ghevar, Bikaner offered a unique culinary experience that captured the richness of Marwari culture. Here are the top 10 restaurants that every foodie must try when visiting Bikaner. The first one is Gallop's Restaurant. Located right near the majestic Junagadh Fort, Gallop's offers a royal dining experience with its Indo-colonial interior and serene courtyard seating. The restaurant specializes in Rajasthani thalis, lal mas, and kebabs, served hot and full of flavor. Guests often praise the prompt service and elegant presentation. You can enjoy a hearty meal for two here in a range of 700 rupees to 900 rupees only. It is proximity to the fort also make it a great stop for sightseeing travelers. The second one is Chotu Motu Joshi Sweet Shop, one of the oldest and most beloved eateries in Bikaner. Chotu Motu Joshi is located on Station Road and is a hot spot for traditional snacks and sweets, famous for its juicy rasgullas, crispy kachoris, and spicy samosas. This shop sees crowd from morning till night. Prices are extremely budget friendly with a filling snack costing just 100 rupees to 250 rupees. It is a just must visit for those who want authentic local taste at a reasonable price. The third one is Hiralal Restaurant. Located on a bustling station road, Hiralal Restaurant is known for its clean, well-maintained interiors and wide-ranging vegetarian menu. The restaurant offers both a carte and buffet options with a focus on North Indian and Chinese cuisines. It is a favorite among locals for family gatherings and business meetings. Their paneer butter masala and veg biryani are particularly well loved. The service is efficient and the dining space is spacious and air conditioned. Expect to pay around 1000 rupees to 1300 rupees for two people. The fourth one is King's Pavilion Restaurant. Situated in Rani Bazaar, King's Pavilion offers a royal dining ambience inspired by Rajasthan's heritage. The decor includes traditional artifacts and colorful motifs, while the food features popular Indian and Indo-Chinese dishes. Their tandoori items, butter naan, and paneer dishes receive great reviews from travelers. It is ideal for medium budget diner looking for authentic yet familiar flavors. The peaceful environment adds to the dining pleasure. The cost for two usually fall between 800 rupees to 1100 rupees. The next one is the Garden Cafe and Restaurant. Set inside the Heritage Hotel by Ron Villas near Junagadh Fort, the Garden Cafe provides an open-air vintage setting under lush greenery. This place is all about ambience, slow dining, and traditional flavors. Try their lal mas, veg pulao, and desserts like gulab jamun for an unforgettable meal. The atmosphere is calm, filled with old charm and peaceful vibe, perfect for relaxed lunches or dinners. You can expect to pay 900 to 1200 rupees for a meal for two people, slightly more for scenic experience. The next one is Lakshmi Niwas Palace Dining Hall. Located inside the opulent Lakshmi Niwas Palace, this fine dining restaurant is truly for those who want to experience regal Rajasthani dining. The high ceilings, royal chandeliers, and antique furnishing create an unmatched dining atmosphere. The menu focuses on royal Rajasthani cuisine, including dishes like Safed Mas, Gate ki Sabzi, and Dal Bati Churma. The service is luxurious and polished, making every guest feel like royalty. A meal for two starts around 2000 rupees, perfect for special occasions. The next one is Satvik Multi Cuisine Restaurant. Satvik is a modern vegetarian restaurant located near Koti Gate, offering a peaceful ambience and a clean dining experience. The menu includes everything from South Indian dosas to creamy paneer dishes and sizzling Chinese platters. Their thali is popular among regulars for its balance and value. Interior are neat and comfortable, making it good for family outing and vegetarian travelers. Prices are friendly too. A meal for two range between 600 rupees to 900 rupees. The next one is Sky Bites Rooftop Restaurant. Located on Station Road, Sky Bites is known for its rooftop ambience, offering great city views especially during evening hours. The restaurant serves multi-cuisine food with a good variety of Indian, Chinese, and continental dishes. Guests love their pasta, biryani, and mocktails, especially when dining under the open sky. It's a great place for casual dates, friend hangouts, or laid back diners. Meal for two usually cost around 800 rupees to 1100 rupees depending on what you order. The second last is Suraj Restaurant, a small yet beloved eatery near the Lalgarh Palace. Suraj Restaurant is known for home-style cooking with rich flavors. It offers authentic Rajasthani meals like dal bhati churma, khadi and bajra roti. The place might lack flashy decor, but the food more than make up for it. It is a popular choice among locals and solo travelers looking for a budget-friendly and hearty meal. Most dishes are affordable with full meals for two priced between 400 rupees to 600 rupees only. The last one is Amber Restaurant. Situated on Ganga Singh Street, Amber is a cozy mid-range eatery offering a mix of Indian, Chinese and some fast food items. It is often busy during lunch and dinner hours. The average cost for two people is 600 rupees to 850 rupees, making it a popular spot among college students and working professionals. From street food legends to heritage dining halls, Bikaner's food scene offers something for every type of traveler. Whether you are craving spicy Rajasthani dishes, classic North Indian meals, or sweet local delicacies, these restaurants will leave you satisfied and craving more.